Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know, I am Nigel LeVay, and today I'm going to be doing a tape and extension review. So I found these tape ins on Amazon. I saw all the girlies talking about it, and you know what? I was like, let me go ahead and try some tape ins because y'all know I got that good hair. So my hair with some tape and extensions is gonna be looking bomb. So right now I'm just gonna do an unboxing and just show y'all what they look like. I haven't unboxed them yet. I did take them out the Amazon like wrapper, but I haven't unboxed them yet. So we're just gonna unbox them together. We're gonna look at the quality, just see if it's soft, see if it sheds any. And then after that, we're going to be going to get them put in, and we're gonna see what my stylist thinks about them, if she thinks they're good, if she thinks I should try something else, or if I should stick with them. But guys, stay tuned because we're about to unbox them. Okay, so we all know this package. This is the Amazon package. Like I already told y'all, I already opened it up. But as you can see, right close up. So this is the brand. And these are the boxes they came in. I got 2 inches of 22 and 2 of 20. I got, each of these come with 20 pieces in them. Yeah, and I got 1B off black. So, let's open these. Let's see, we're gonna open the 22 first. So let's see if they're giving. Opening up the box, opening up the package. Okay, when you open it, the first thing you see that comes out is a clip and 2 little hair bows. Keep going. This is all that's in the box. We have the hair. Oh! It comes in with some extra tapes, so I guess you can reuse these. Let's see. Oh! Oh my gosh, look at this. First off, it's soft. This is soft. This right here is giving. So far, I'm going through it. I'm lifting my hands through it. I don't see no type of shedding. No shedding. Nothing. I can pull on it and nothing. Nothing. No type of shedding. It's giving. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, and it's about to be long. Don't play with me. Look at this. Look at this. Look. I know y'all see that. I know y'all see that. Like I said, there's 20 pieces in here. This is the 22 inch. Let me stand up for you guys. So this is the 22 inch, so it'll be about right here. It's giving 30 inches, but it's 22. We love that. But yes, and it already has the tapes on there. So yes, these are extra tapes to put on these for when you want to get it redone. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. It is so soft. It is so soft. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open up the 20 inch and see the difference between the 20 and the 22 inches. So we're opening up the 20 inch. As you can see, this comes with extra tapes as well. So I'm guessing each box comes with extra tapes. Comes with the hair bows and the clip that just fell. A little thank you. Here we go, the hair. Oh, did not mean to do that. Here is the nap off. Yes, it's still giving. It's still giving. Let's go through it a couple of times. Let's see. Okay, I do see a piece that's shedded. That's fine though, because it's only 1 piece. Going through it and I still don't see nothing else. There's no weird smell to it. It doesn't have no stinky type of smell. Let's see it next to the 22 inch. So this is the 22 and this is the 20. So honestly, it's not much of a difference. It's honestly just a little bit. Just a little bit. But that's good because we needed layers to make the hair just look good anyways. And this is the off. So I think it would blend pretty well. Don't look at the color in the back of my head, but I think that would blend really well. This is just two next to each other, and it's giving thickness of it. The thickness of the hair. I'm already loving it. Already loving it. No smell. No smell at all. And I got 4 packs, so therefore it's really going to be filled in my head. But so far I'm loving it. But we're really gonna see how it's gonna be like once we install it, and if they're gonna stick well, if they're gonna blend well. So I'm gonna get it installed, and I'm gonna come back and let you guys know if it's giving or if it's not. And I'm also gonna have my stylist give a review saying if she liked them or if I should try something else. Also, this is not sponsored, but if you want to sponsor your girl, go ahead and sponsor me. Email me, please, because right now I'm probably getting you the coins. I'm getting you the coins. Whatever this brand is. Suyya. Suyya. I'm a Suyya. But yes, I'm about to go get the hair installed, so stay tuned for that, guys. Okay, how do you feel about the hair? What's your honest opinion?
Well, it was thick, from top to bottom. It was silky. It curled good. It's holding a curl. Shiny. The tape seemed pretty strong. That's good. I think that's really it.
Would you recommend
the ends blunt. Yeah, probably the best one.
Yeah.
I've used these before and I like them too.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so
second time.
we recommend. We recommend.
Yeah, definitely.
Period. First of all, let's just get into this install. Cause my sis did that. She, guys, come on now. Come on, who could have done it better? It's pretty. Nova, you've heard it from here. Nova said it's pretty. And it's good. I'm gonna leave all her info right here on the screen. So if you're here, or if you wanna fly out, cause you need to take a drive or something, you need to go to her. Best, hands down, best. It's giving, it's blending. Look at that. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. I love it. I love it already. Like, it feels thick. It's, oh, I'm in love. Just know I'm in love. I'm literally in love. I'm just so in love. And I hope this review helped you guys. And if y'all ever want me to do like an update in like, it says they last like 6 to 8 weeks. So if y'all ever want me to do an update in like 8 weeks, I'll do an update. Just let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more content. Bye, guys.